Hey everybody, in this video we're going to do a Kwikset Titan Lishi video using the KW5 Lishi right here. And the way you determine that it could be a Titan lock and that you would need to use the 6-pin Lishi is on a Titan lock. This is just a different one here. You see that the square up here is actually cut out, and that being cut out indicates that it is a Titan lock and it could be pinned to 6. I mean, it could have been rekeyed to 5, but when it left the factory it was pinned to 6, so you'd want to try your KW5 first. And just to make sure that there's no 6th pin in there, and it doesn't matter, you could pick it with 5 with a KW5 as well. You notice on a more modern lock, this is a 660. It's a newer one that cut out. It's not cut out, so you know that there's no way that that's pinned more than 5. Actually, that should always be pinned 5. But then, of course, on the Titan, it is cut out, so you would want to use your KW5 Lishi. And as far as leashing this goes, same as pretty much any other Lishi tool. I'm going to go ahead and insert it all the way into the lock. Zoom in here. All right, and I'm just going to apply tension and look for binders. So start number 1, and it's springy, so we'll head to number 2. Springy, 3. Okay, 3 is actually binding. Nice little click on 3. 4. 5 springy, 6 springy, 1 springy. Okay, 2 is now binding. Click on 2. It's now set. Okay, 3 set. 4 set, and we are open. And now to decode it. Okay, we'll go to position number 1, and we have a, make sure you guys can see, yeah, I think you can, got a 6, 2, we have a 2, 3, we have a 5, 4, we've got a 3, 5, we have a 2, and 6, we have a 6, so that is 6, 2, 5, 3, 2, 6. And then I've already cut a key here. I did a video on that. If you want to see how to cut a Titan key, it's a little bit different than a normal Kwikset key. It'll be the video before this one, 547, and I will, of course, link to it. And here is the key that I made for this lock. And it works perfectly. So that's pretty much it on the KW5 on a Kwikset Titan lock. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.